Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom Today. Have you ever noticed how some people just have that presence? You don't even have to hear them speak, you just feel it. A quiet power that commands respect, even fear from those around them. It's like their energy fills the room before they say a word. Sounds almost mysterious, right? Now what if I told you, this isn't magic? It's not loud speeches or physical strength. It's something deeper, something inside each of us, waiting to be awakened. Today, I want to share with you ancient Stoic secrets. Habits that turn your inner world into a silent, unstoppable force. A force so strong that even your enemies can't help but notice. Are you ready to unlock it? Part 1. The Heart of Stoicism. Control within. We all know that in life we can't avoid people who oppose or envy us. But do you know how to make them fear you? Not with words or aggressive actions, but with a powerful silence? That's the secret from Stoic philosophy I want to share with you today. The first thing is to master your emotions. Marcus Aurelius once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." When you stay calm and don't let emotions control you, others will see you as someone who is not easily defeated. Have you ever noticed that when someone loses their temper with you, they seem weaker? That calmness is an invisible strength that makes enemies wary. A wise person doesn't need to shout or argue. They let their actions speak for themselves. Sharp, timely actions require no long explanations. Like a silent tiger in the forest, just one look is enough to silence everything. Finally, remember the only thing you truly control is yourself. Focus on improving yourself, and your enemies will feel small when faced with your determination and strength. That's the secret that makes enemies fear you. Not by voice, but by silence and inner power. Part 2. Building real strength, discipline. Here's the truth. Inner strength isn't given, it's earned. Through daily choices, through discipline. Start small. Maybe meditation for 5 minutes, writing your thoughts down, or just sitting quietly, reflecting. These small acts sharpen your focus and build resolve, and guess what? This quiet strength, it's a weapon. You don't need to shout. Your presence alone speaks volumes. Part 3. The power of silence. Silence is not the absence of voice. It is a deliberate, powerful choice in Stoicism that shows control and maturity. Instead of using words to influence others, let your actions and calm demeanor do the talking. Silence forces others to fill the void with their own thoughts, often revealing their uncertainties and weaknesses. Mastering silence signals confidence and control, leaving your opponents confused and uncertain, weakening their power over you. It is one of the most underestimated tools in creating an aura of unshakable strength. Part 4. Speak without words, body language. Your body talks even when your mouth is closed. Stand tall. Look people in the eye. Move with purpose, not aggressively, but with calm assurance. This quiet confidence tells others, I am here, I am steady, I am not afraid. And when you show that, your opponents hesitate, because they see strength, not weakness. Part 5. Healthy boundaries. Protect your energy. Knowing your limits is not selfish, it's necessary. Setting boundaries protects your energy and self-respect. When you make clear what you accept and what you don't, people listen. Even enemies think twice before crossing your line. It's not about fighting, it's about valuing yourself enough to protect your peace. Part 6. Live by your values. Power comes from authenticity. Every day, check if your actions align with your core values. When you live with integrity, people see it. Your strength isn't just physical or mental, it's moral. And that kind of strength shakes the foundation of those who oppose you. Part 7. Actions speak louder than words. Talk is cheap. Results aren't. Let your achievements tell your story. Success, growth, kindness, these can't be ignored. Your enemies watch what you do, not what you say. Consistent action builds respect and leaves a lasting legacy. Part 8. Face adversity with Stoic virtues. Hard times will come, that's certain, but how you respond defines you. Use challenges to practice patience, courage, and calm. Don't let anger or fear control you. Instead, channel your energy into clear, purposeful action. That calm power, it weakens your enemies. It unsettles them deeply. Part 9. Influence through silent strength. By embracing these principles, you wield influence without uttering a single word. Your presence alone commands respect and makes adversaries think twice. This unspoken power comes from a foundation of inner calm, discipline, authenticity, and respect for yourself and others. It's a profound influence that can change the course of interactions and inspire others to follow your lead. Not because of what you say, but because of who you are. And now, at the final. Remember, true power starts inside. Cultivate calm, discipline, silence, confident presence, boundaries, values, and meaningful action. When you do, your presence alone becomes impossible to ignore. If this resonated with you, please like, comment below which habit spoke to you the most, and subscribe to Stoic Wisdom Today for more deep dives into Stoic philosophy. Thank you for being here. See you in the next video.